Hey, Sam from DianeTalk, Real Talk, Let's Talk. I want to talk about the domino effect. Domino effect can go two ways. One, really, really bad. And then a series of things starts happening. The domino effect, it just goes into the toilet and it's a shit show. It can also go the other way. Something really good happens, you start building on it, you do different things, and it can take you to places that you didn't expect to go. Domino effect, very versatile, can go either way. We're going to talk about the domino effect in sex. So every day for a month, you take, or let's start with a week. You take one thing that you add to your romantic category or catalog. And I was talking to a bunch of people today, and I really, because I know I'm right about this. Romance is important. Cuddling, holding, talking, those are all very, kissing. Start out kissing really nicely. Just don't start sticking your tongue down someone's throat right away. Build into the passion. Let the passion take you to the domino effect. So Sunday, you start by hugging a little bit more and maybe just touching the cheek and, looking at each other differently, looking at your partner. You make the effort to take on the domino effect. You start. Then Monday, you start, you come up behind them, you put your arms around them, you kiss them really romantically, really differently, kiss their neck, nibble on their neck, let them know you're there. Tuesday, you start a little more of the, rubbing the back, being spontaneously playful. Even though the spontaneity is planned, it's still spontaneous. You get it? Do different things to make different things happen. Now we're getting into the touching of the breast and the feeling of the penis, and we're doing different things, and everyone is feeling the game because we know that we're heading to the right place. Now, when the moment is right, you start adding in things that you want to do but you don't do. Whether it's a blowjob, whether it's you going down, whether it's 69, doggy style, whatever position or whatever you want to do that you're currently not doing, add the domino effect. Layer it on, layer it on, layer it on, layer it on. And then before you know it, you have everything you want and then some, because you're doing it so gradually. It works so well. It's so well received. It's so sexy and hot that the sex you have is the sex you want. I'm sucking your cock. We're doing doggy style. We're doing 69. We're doing it from the back. We're doing whatever. Imagine. Just imagine what you can get when you play dominoes. Diane from DianeTalk, Real Talk, Real Talk. Have a good day and get out those dominoes. Bye.